हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम करने जा रहे हैं एक बहुत ही सिंपल योगा फ्लो जो आप यूज़ कर सकते हो अर्ली मॉर्निंग टू वेक योर सेल्फ अप एंड गेट गोइंग। और अगर आप बिगिनर हैं और आपने कभी योगा नहीं किया तो भी आप इसे कर सकते हैं। एक फॉलो अलोंग प्रैक्टिस है जिसमें योगा के साथ साथ प्राणायाम भी है। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। शुरू करने से पहले जस्ट थिंग्स दैट यू माइट नीड ड्यूरिंग द सेशन। आपको ज़रूरत पड़ेगी योगा ब्लॉक्स की। अगर आपके पास योगा ब्लॉक्स नहीं है तो आप 2 थिक साइज बुक्स को भी न्यूज़पेपर में रैप करके उसका योगा ब्लॉक बना सकते हैं। और अगर आपके पास योगा ब्लॉक नहीं है, उसकी जगह मेडिटेशन पिलो है तो आप वो भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि इनिशियली आपके हिप्स इतने ओपन नहीं होंगे कि आप कंफर्टेबली ज़मीन पे बैठ पाएँ। सो यू कैन यूज़ योगा ब्लॉक्स। हम शुरू करेंगे सबसे पहले ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज के साथ, लेकिन उसके लिए हमें बैठना होगा अपराइट। सो अपराइट बैठने के लिए मैं 2 ब्लॉक्स नीचे रख रही हूँ। और अगर आपके हिप्स टाइट हैं, मान लीजिए अगर आप क्रॉस लेगेड बैठते हैं और आपके हिप्स यहाँ पर हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आप योगा ब्लॉक्स की यूज़ कर सकते हैं एंड यू कैन ट्राई टू सिट अप विद योर स्पाइन स्ट्रेट। मैं आपको साइड से भी एक बार व्यू दिखा देती हूँ। जब हम बैठेंगे तो हमारी जो स्पाइन है वो एब्सोल्युटली स्ट्रेट होनी चाहिए, इस तरह। सो find a position where you're sitting straight with your blocks underneath you. Since I'm comfortable, मैं निकाल देती हूँ। सबसे पहले हम अपनी अवेयरनेस को मैट पर लेकर आएंगे। मन में कोई ख्याल आ रहे हो, कोई सोच चल रही हो, उसे भूल कर अपनी कॉन्शियस को वापस लेकर आएंगे ऑन द मैट, रिमेंबरिंग वेयर वी आर। नाउ रिमेंबर टू ब्रीथ इन एंड आउट थ्रू योर नोज। वी विल नॉट यूज आवर माउथ टू ब्रीथ। Breathe in and out and gently make these breaths a little longer. Now you can place one hand on your abdomen, the other hand on your chest, and we're going to breathe in and out. Exhale, drop your chest. Suck your belly button in to the spine. Again, inhale, lift up. Exhale, drop first from the chest, then from the abdomen. Again, inhale, exhale, belly button to the spine. Hold the end of the exhalation. Inhale, fill up your belly, fill up your chest. Hold the inhalation. Exhale, chest and belly, and gently release. So सबसे पहले we'll start with some neck rotations. So moving your neck from side to side, and you notice that I am not doing all the way in. I'm gently trying to get the range of motion more each time I do it. धीरे धीरे से range of motion को बढ़ाएंगे. From here we're going to take it in circles, dropping the head down, not all the way down, gently down, moving towards the right side, take it back, come forward, and as you move, try to make the circle bigger and bigger. We're going to do it 5 times. This is 2. Now if you feel dizzy with your eyes open, you can shut your eyes. That's 3, 4. Make that circle bigger. And last one. And from here we're going to reverse it. Again, slower circles. 1, 2, 3. Don't forget to breathe. Last one. And 5. Now gently open your eyes. We're going to shift our gaze from one shoulder to the other, starting from the right side. Move your neck all the way, gazing towards the right side. And shift your gaze towards the left. Again, inhale to the right, exhale towards the left, Last one time. onto the other side. Come back to center. Now we'll interlace our fingers, flip it over, inhale, lift up. Now without bringing your shoulders to your ear, dropping your ears but still lifting the spine, you're going to lift up, inhale, exhale, drop forward, inhale, lift up, lift the spine. Try to straighten the spine as much as you can without lifting your shoulders. Exhale, come down. 2 more times. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, come down. Last one time. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, come down. Now we'll get some movement in the spine, again in the sitting position. So, hands on the knees, inhale, chest out, exhale, shoulder blades away from each other, belly button to the spine, arching the upper back, dropping the chin all the way into the chest. Let's see it again. Inhale, bring the chest out, look up. Exhale, arch the upper back, belly button to the spine, chin to chest. I'm going to show you how it looks like from the side. Sitting up straight, inhale, chest forward, look up. Exhale, inhale, exhale. 2 more times. Inhale, exhale. Last one time. Inhale, exhale. Now remembering this, we will switch things up a little bit and we will give some motion to the spine. Let's see how it's done. Sitting up straight, we will inhale, bring the chest forward, go from one side to the other side, and then exhale, arch back. Go back from right to left. Inhale, left to right. Exhale, right to left. Inhale, drop the chest down. Exhale, arch the back. Inhale, drop the chest down. Exhale, arch the back. Let's do it on the opposite side. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, go back. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, open up. Exhale, arch back. Last one time. Inhale, open up. Exhale, arch back. Now interlace the fingers at the back. Roll your shoulders back. Try to bring the shoulder blades together. Press your hands onto the floor and look up. Find that stretch. We're going to stay here for a few breaths. And gently release. We'll take child's pose for 2 breaths. So come on to your knees. If this is uncomfortable, you can always keep a block underneath and then come into child's pose. But if you're comfortable, go all the way down. Extend your hands forward and go all the way down. Drop your forehead onto the mat and try to bring your hips into the heels. When you stay here for 3 breaths. And gently come up. Let's start with warming up our core and our legs. For the next one, we will start in a position where our legs are extended in front of us. Now, if this is too difficult, you can keep your knees slightly bent and extend your legs forward. But if you can straighten your legs, try to straighten them as much as you can. These are flex toes, pointed toes, flex toes. Okay, so you're going to keep my hands to the side. Again, chest out, shoulder blades pulled together, spine straight. I'm going to sit here, tuck my chin all the way into the chest, and we're going to stay here for 3 breaths. 1, Nice and slow. 2 and 3. And for this next one, we will flex and point our feet. Everything remains the same. You will not hunch when we are sitting in this position. We'll sit up straight with our spine straight, shoulders pulled back, palms pressing down. And we go flex, point, flex. When you flex, you should be able to engage the posterior part, your hamstrings and your calves. And as you point, you will be activating your quadriceps and your shins. So flex, point. 2 more times. Flex, point. Make the legs very, very active. Last one time, flex and point. Now at this stage, keep them flexed and bend the knees a little bit. And wherever you find comfortable, now it could be straighter or it could be more bent, wherever you find comfortable, just adjust yourself a little bit, find that ease and find that spot where your chest and thighs are together. So bringing your knees all the way into the chest, drop your hands to the side, drop your neck down. You can gaze at your toes. If this is too comfortable, you can try to straighten the legs a little bit more. Keep your toes flexed. We're going to stay here for a few breaths. You can drop your neck down. I'll stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, and gently come up. We will now try to do a half lotus pose. So we will cross one leg, and if crossing the other on top of each other is not possible, you can place a block underneath and try to cross the other leg on top. If this is also uncomfortable, you can place a pillow underneath. We'll again sit up straight with our spine straight, shoulders rolled back, keep the hands to the side. We'll stay here for 3 breaths. 1, 2, 1. Switch the orientation of the legs. So with the opposite leg at the bottom, keep your block and fold the other leg on top. Hands to the side. We're going to stay here for 3 breaths. 1. Keep the toes flexed. 2. Last one. Gently release. Okay, now we're going to go down onto the mat and do a lower back strengthening exercise. So you will lie down on your chest. Now feet need to be together. So your feet are pointed and pressed together. Keep your hands underneath your shoulders. Notice that I'm not keeping my legs passive. I'm engaging the muscles of my legs, pressing them together, pressing onto the inner thighs. Now I'm going to place my elbows down on the mat. Again from here, I'm going to roll my shoulders back and peel myself up, vertebrae by vertebrae, till I find this position. Now if it feels uncomfortable, you can keep your hands a little bit forward, but make sure that you keep your shoulders rolled back. Don't drop in your shoulders like this. Engage the shoulder blades, press them towards each other. Keep the legs active, press the legs towards each other. Gaze forward. We're going to stay here for 3 breaths. So 1, 2, and 3. From here, we will press back, separate our knees, and come into a relaxed child's pose. If your forehead doesn't touch the floor, that's okay. You can keep a block also. Place your forehead on the block. We'll stay here for 5 breaths. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. And gently come up. Find yourself in a sitting position that works well for you. You have kept one block at the bottom, you can keep 2. Or if you can sit in any position, Sukhasana, any position that works well for you, sit in that. And now we'll try to do some pranayam. We'll be doing the alternate nostril breathing. For that, fold 2 fingers and make sure that your ring finger and pinky is together along with thumb. You have to do it on the right side. So with this one, what I'm going to do is press down on my left nostril. Again, sit with your spine straight. Press down on your left nostril to stop the flow of air in it. You're going to inhale from the right side. Fill up your lungs, fill up your abdomen. Use the full power of your diaphragm. Hold that breath. Press on to the right nostril and exhale from the left one. Now breathing in from the left. Hold that breath, switch on the nostrils and exhale. Inhale, hold it. And exhale. Inhaling from the left side. Holding it. Exhaling from the left. Exhaling from the right. Inhale from the right. Hold it. Exhale from the left. Last one time, inhale from the left. Hold it. Exhale from the right. Now close your eyes. Just a few gentle breaths. At this point, you can join your hands together in prayer pose, and let's take a moment to be grateful for our body, our breath, our practice, and the fact that we can move. Bring your awareness back into the room. Keep your eyes shut, rub your palms together, and bring that warmth to your eyes, to your face, and your neck. And whenever you feel ready, gently open your eyes. I hope you love this practice. Stay home and stay safe.